What's up, everybody? I have something super awesome, special, and very important to me today, and I hope it'll be important to you guys. We're releasing some new products. Super cool, super exciting. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. If you like it, please leave me a like. If you don't, leave me a dislike, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, guys. Can't do this by myself. I don't want to do this by myself. I want to bring you guys along for the journey. I want to include you guys in the journey. So hit that subscribe button if you like what I'm doing, you like my content. I would really appreciate it, and it would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much. Let's dive into today's video. Today, we have the brand new Qcrc Exhaust Kit and the Qcrc Bumper Trim Kit for, of course, the CEN F-450. Now, these aren't amazing products or anything. I mean, I just made them and stuff, and I think they look pretty sick, and I think you guys are really gonna like them, but they're not awesome or anything, you know. They're products. They're cool. You know, I figure you guys might want to see this. I don't know. You know, maybe you're bored of it. I don't know. But today, we have the exhaust kit. This is going to come in two different colors, black and silver. Obviously, most exhausts are black or silver, so you're going to get full customization here. Of course, I want to give you guys the complete option to do whatever you want with these trucks and customize them however you want. I try to make products that I love, that I believe in, and that I think are awesome, and that I think you guys will be awesome too and find value in, that will help you guys customize your truck, make your truck perform better, and just everything in between. So that's kind of my goal here of all this, guys. I'm just trying to create awesome products to help you guys, to help myself with my own trucks, and hopefully bring value to you with these products. So for the exhaust kit, you're going to get two color options. You're going to get black and silver. You're also going to get multiple tip options, round or octagon tips, and they're all going to be slanted at a slight angle. You're going to get a 15 mil or a 19 mil tip, whichever you choose. Kind of if you like the big exhaust tip look on the diesels, or if you like the little small, just factory, a little bit bigger than factory tip, I got you covered. If you like the big stuff, I got you covered. These are all going to come to the same position. There's not going to be alternate positions at this moment unless I see fit for one. Right now, they're going to come out in the same position on the truck, but there are going to be different size tips and different colors. You can mix match these. You can do whatever. You can have a black exhaust pipe with a silver tip. You can have a silver exhaust pipe with a black tip. Whichever you'd like to do, whichever makes you guys happier or want to customize your truck the way you want to, I'm going to allow you to do so. It's going to be super simple. It's going to mount at your factory back location if you have a trailer hitch. If you don't have a trailer hitch, this is going to work with my trailer hitch. It's going to work with no trailer hitch. It's going to work, be super universal, super simple to install, very sleek looking, and just add the extra scale depth to your truck. Now, for the bumper trim. Bumper trim is also super simple, but something I felt like was needed. I just felt like it was missing that little depth to it. You got some mirrors here, you got the little grill, windshield wipers and stuff. I felt like you needed something else. I'm working on more stuff, but for right now I just felt like the back, I was like, bumper trim, there's nothing to step on. I don't want to, if I was a real truck, I wouldn't want to be stepping on my paint and getting dirt in my shoes and scratching all the paint off my bumper. I don't want some plastic trim to step on. Come on, man. Come on. That's what we're doing here. So, got the plastic trim. You can have smooth options, kind of like just a textured 3D printed style, or you can have the grooved option, which is going to have lines that are going to be grooved and have a cool little look to it. Two styles there, whichever you want. They're going to fit the same. Super simple. Super easy to put on. You're just going to glue them on the body. They should be removable depending on what kind of glue you use. I don't know if the glue is going to eat into your polycarbonate or not, so it's kind of on you guys. However, that would be whatever glue you decide to use. I can't promise you don't like it all of a sudden, you want to remove it, that it won't have damage your body. That depends on the glue you used, so I can't promise that. Bumper trim. What I figured would needed, it's what I wanted. Hope you guys want it too. Super simple, super clean look. Just adding that extra scale, depth, and detail to these things that I think they don't really need, but it just helps bring that wow factor up 10 points each item you add. Been testing these products on the KG1 F-450. We got the OG Qcrc Ultimate F-450 over here. Missing some shops right now, so she's laying low, little low girl, staying out of trouble. But she has none of these goodies on her, so we're gonna go ahead and fit this girl with all these goodies, bumper trim and an exhaust kit. Walk you guys through the installation. Super simple, super easy for you to do. It takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Scale depth, it just adds the character out of the truck. When you look around, you're like, dang. This thing's got everything. That's kind of what I'm going for, guys. I'm trying to have everything. that I can possibly think of on this truck that you guys would want, that you guys would find valuable and useful. You'd be able to obtain them and then bring value to you. Let's get to installing this stuff. Super excited. All right, we are over here at the workbench. Got our F-450 laid out. We are ready to go ahead and install this exhaust kit. What you're gonna get in this exhaust kit is the exhaust mount, the exhaust tip of your choosing, an M3 by 8 mil, and 2 M3 by 20s, followed by two M3 nuts. For installation, you're going to need a 2.5 mil nut driver and a 5.5 mil nut driver as well. Also use a drill like the snap-on drill I'm using right now. Here we are at the truck. We got the truck laid out over here. What you're going to go ahead and do, if you have my hitch kit installed or you don't have my hitch kit installed, this is going to be exactly the same. You're going to go ahead and take these two screws out on the passenger side of the truck. Here's my 2.5 on a drill. Set it to the side. And the screws you take out of here you will no longer need, so you can just go ahead and save those for something else or just put them to the side. Now you're going to grab your exhaust mount and your two M3 by 20s. You're going to go ahead and place one M3 by 20 in the exhaust mount and go ahead and start it with your fingers. Get that in. Go ahead and do the same with the other one. You're going to take your M3 by 8, you're going to go ahead and put it on your nut driver. Align this into the proper position that you want. If you want the slanted tip to be like this, or you want it upwards, sideways, however you want it, just go ahead and align that however you would like. I want mine straight up and down, so I'm going to make sure it's set up just like that. And then while I have it set the way I want it, I'm going to go ahead and run this all the way up and tighten it down. You do not have to over tighten this. You're threading in the plastic. Keep that in mind. So you could over tighten this. Just snug is all you need. And this bad boy is solid and you have a cool exhaust on the truck. Now that you have everything made it up, this is what your final product's going to look like. Look at that exhaust. Super slick, super cool. Got your silver pipe coming in like a real exhaust, and you got your tip right here sticking out just enough where they know what you're doing. They know you mean business. You got that octagon tip on here, guys. Look at that thing. Super awesome, super cool. Really hope you guys are going to like this. So once you do that, your exhaust is fully installed. Super awesome, super cool. I really can't wait to see you guys' picture of this, see how you put it on your truck, see which tip options you choose, and just see how it looks on you guys' rigs. Super awesome. I hope you find this kit valuable. I really like it. It's super simple, not that hard, just something that adds that extra scale depth to the truck that I feel like is very needed. Let's dive into this bumper mount. Super excited to get these on. Now, if you order your bumper trim kit, this is exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get 3 pieces, whether you got the smooth or the rib piece like I have here in front of me. You're going to get these 3 pieces only. You're not going to get any glue, just these 3 pieces. I'm going to recommend some glue to you. For glue, I'm recommending this Bob Smith Industries Qcrc. It's very good, gap filling. It's pretty thick. It does its job. I got this for $10 in my local hobby stop. Pretty cool, pretty good stuff. I've used this stuff forever. It's just, you can't go wrong with it. It's really good glue. But if you don't have a local hobby stop to you or a hobby store, I also recommend this stuff. It's Gorilla Glue Super Glue Gel. It's very thick stuff. It doesn't run. It's very good at what it does, and it would also be good for this application. If you're looking for a glue that I recommend, these 2 glues are going to be awesome for this project. They're going to be exactly what you need. If you have a hobby stop near you, I recommend picking up some of the Bob Smith Industries. If you don't have a hobby stop near you and you have a Lowe's or a Home Depot or probably even Walmart carries this stuff, Gorilla Glue Super Glue Gel is the way to go. Here we have our truck set up on a box so you guys can easily see it. What you're going to do first is go ahead and wipe this down right here, this area at the bottom and the area up here at the top. You can use rubbing alcohol or you can use some type of glass cleaner. I've already went ahead and wiped mine. It's got a little bit of dust on it because it's been sitting while I got the camera ready. You just go ahead and get all that little bit of dust off, and then you can proceed to put your pieces on. You're also going to want to wipe these pieces as well. Then you go ahead and take your glue, make sure you shake it very well. Just go ahead and put a little bit of dab right here on the side. You just need that little bit of glue. You don't need much at all. You just go ahead and take that right there. Pick this up, slide it on the truck at the destination of your choice. It should line up very nicely. Hold it for a couple seconds. You can hold the whole area, or you can just hold wherever you feel comfortable. I'm going to put pressure down for about 10-15 seconds, maybe even 30 if it's pretty cold outside. And once you get that done, then your one piece is on. You're ready to move on to the next. And flip it upside down on the truck. And see, there you go. I did get some glue on the outside right here. No worries though. All you have to do is take a paper towel, one of these blue towels if you have those, and take and wipe that glue off. It won't cure too fast on that plastic without any pressure. There you have it. Nicely installed bumper trim on the CEN F-450. Looks freaking fantastic with the hitch kit and the exhaust kit. Look at this unit. This is awesome. There you have it, guys. Super awesome, super simple. Just a scale accessory I felt like was so much needed for these guys. It just brings in that sense of scale and just sense of, wow, this guy really goes crazy with his stuff. And you guys can have that same feature out at a show, out in the woods, out crawling with your buddies, towing, out for towing your little drag cars, whatever. Be like, dang, look at that truck, that thing's awesome. It's kind of where I'm going for this, just that look of like, dang, he went everywhere with that thing. So exactly what I'm going for. Super cool, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you like these products. I really hope they'll bring you value. You'll have to use them. You'll love them. They'll be cool. Give you some little scene points. You know what I'm saying? And if you're curious where to get these products or any other products that we have, Qcrchobbies.com. Made by yours truly. Everything's made in-house, USA, small little family-owned business. Nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all you guys. Thank you so much. Getting closer to Qcrc Expo. We are 3 weeks away now. Going to be some content coming out. I apologize for the lack of content on the Qcrc Expo builds. The Raptor really, I'm going to go ahead and say it. I'm going to be honest, it hasn't been touched. I know, crazy. 3 weeks to build 2 trucks basically. The Mega Cab has every piece for it, but it's just not put together. So crunch time, guys. We've got to get in on this stuff. I got to buckle down, get all this stuff done, quit fooling with other things, and get on this ball with this. Quit making these awesome products, guys. I'm just going to get on building trucks, not making products. What am I doing? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Have an awesome day, awesome night, afternoon, morning, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Have an awesome time.